I'll play that shit again. Tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back, to bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them that you like that, like DJ turn it, 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 DJ turn it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I keep in my emergency bag. As you can probably tell, I have some stuff in like school supplies in the back. I just filmed a back to school supplies haul. I'll leave it down below for you guys in case you guys want to watch that. First thing I have sticking out is gum. Gum was like so popular, or not popular, like a must. Like everyone wanted gum. If you had gum, you literally like would get attacked by people. So the next thing I have is floss. Floss would so like save me back then. So another thing that I wish I would carry during high school is a portable charger or pocket juice. I think that's what this one's called. My phone would always turn off, and it still turns off. That hasn't changed, but at least in high school, whenever my phone would die and stuff, I had practice after school, and so it was very annoying and stuff when my phone would turn off. Next thing I have is some earbuds. Whenever I wouldn't have practice after school, I would go on the bus. Sometimes the bus driver wouldn't put music, so it's very nice to have your earbuds. Next thing I have is lip gloss. I've been really into lip gloss lately. I carry lip gloss. If you guys are more into lipstick, then carry a lipstick. Lip products and also like mascara and stuff is a must. I didn't mention the mascara here because I think that mainly falls into like my makeup bag. Then I also have a perfume. Sometimes I'm running out the door and I forget to apply perfume and stuff, so this saves your day, especially like I said after gym class. Then of course I have a pad. I use pads. I've always used pads. I've never really used tampons. It's very nice to always have one with you. Another thing I have is lip balm. My lips get very chapped and pale and stuff, like so. And then I have my what is this called?
A few moments later.
Hand sanitizer. It's very cute. It's like a little backpack, but I think it ripped, so that's why I have it in my emergency bag. Hawaiian pink hibiscus. That's like a mouthful right there, but it smells really good. Another thing I have is this little container. It's actually from a lip product, but I reused it and I stored some little goodies. And one of the things I have is eye drops. My eyes would get so red, or they'll get very veiny. Is that a word? I also have some hair ties and bobby pins. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. Let me have some hair ties and some bobby pins right here, because I would always need some whenever I was in dance class. I think that's basically it. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and for supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.